guys, I actually didn't realize that I didn't film an intro. So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys and enjoy this Thanksgiving. Get ready with me. Throw this hair in a bun before we start this look so she's out of the way and not getting in my makeup. To start off this look today, I went ahead and put on the Professional Hydrating Primer because honestly, it is the dry season right now and I am even having some dry breakouts. For foundation, you haven't seen me use this baby in a long time. It is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation and I'm using the shade 118 Light Beige right now because honestly, your girl is not as tan as she was. Honestly, you guys have seen me do my concealer, foundation, primer routine. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed up these clips until we get to the powder portion. I just went ahead and dabbed a little bit of my concealer on my red spots I have right now. So if you guys want a trick on how to hide that, just put more concealer on the red spots. After everything is set in place, I'm just going to go ahead and take the banana shade in the Shade and Light Kat Von D palette in the powder palette. And I'm just going to go ahead and place that shade all over my face so it sets all of that creamy concealer and foundation. And I'm going to put a tiny bit more under my eye so I make sure that I have 0 creases. Now after that powder is all set in place, I'm going to go ahead and take the bronzer shade in the Kat Von D palette, the first one, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out and try to contour and snatch these cheekbones. I'm just going to add a tiny bit on the nose. And then I'll blend it out with a sponge. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that banana shade on the sponge and just carve out these cheekbones. So I just went ahead and I actually did my brows off camera and I just went in with my holy grail e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. And there goes my phone beeping again. But this is actually the shade Deep Brown and it works perfect for me, especially if I want that bold brow look. For blush, I just went in with the Ofra X Madison Miller Trio Highlight and Blush. It's time for eyes. We're going to go ahead and get these eyes looking warm, pumpkin spice latte inspired type of look for Thanksgiving dinner. Let me know what you guys are doing for Thanksgiving. Let me know what you guys do, or if you have any certain traditions, I'd like to hear what you guys do. For the eye look today, I am going to use the Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette. I'm just dipping into the Pukey shade and I'm just blending that on my crease and up. And make sure you're using light circular motion so the shadows blend well and don't get patchy or anything like that. To create that contrast, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the shade Mocha. And all I did was basically like pretty much just set the shadow there, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with the shade Buns. Buns, hun. After I blended that all out, I'm going to go ahead and actually take the I Love palette from Sephora. I actually reviewed in my last video, so go ahead and check it out. I'll pop it up in one of these corners. I don't know which one, but I'll definitely put an arrow. So the shade that I absolutely love in this palette is the orange shade right here. It is amazing. I'm actually going to create an eyeliner wing from that. Do you see how pigmented that is? It's insane. It does have a little bit of fallout, you kind of can see right there, but you can totally just sweep that away. So as you can see, there's a bunch of fallout, but it's worth it because this eyeliner is so pretty. Okay guys, I just went ahead and popped on some lashes and mascara, put a little bit of the same colors I put on the top on my lower lash line, and I'm going to go ahead and move on to the rest of the face. For highlighter day, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Revolution Shimmering Highlighting Powder in the shade Banana. That shimmer is so pretty. Oh my gosh. For lips, I'm going to go ahead and mix the Morphe Mega Matte Lipstick in the shade Bare All. And I'm going to mix with it is the Blushing Brown e.l.f. lipstick. Now for the last step of this makeup Thanksgiving warm bronzed pumpkin spice inspired look, we're going to go ahead and finish it off with some setting spray. Now this video is definitely not over. So for my hair for Thanksgiving dinner, I'm just going to go ahead and put it in a Dutch fluffy braid. So I actually did this over on my 10 easy how-to hairstyles video. So I'll definitely link it up here if you want to see how I braid my hair. I'm just going to go ahead and speed it up, and you kind of may can see it in this video. Okay, so I just went ahead and I actually pancaked my hair. So it looks a little big in the back and it looks very elegant. Here's what it looks like from the back. Now let's go ahead and move on to these easy Thanksgiving outfit ideas. So the first outfit is for my cardigan girls. So I just put this gray cardigan wraparound sweater over this cream turtleneck long sleeve. And they are both actually from Target, and I wear an extra small in both. And I paired them with these jeans from Rampage, and I am an extra small in those as well. And I actually paired those with some black heeled booties. And this look is actually for my casual lunch-in type of Thanksgiving day. The next one, I actually have the same shoes and jeans on. I just mixed the sweater up. So this is actually from Target as well. I swear I'm not sponsored, but this is a animal printed cream and light cream sweater. And this is actually for when you have that warm type of weather Thanksgiving. This is just an easy sweater you can get, honestly, at your local Target. For this look, I actually paired a thicker sweater with these jeans. And it has this cute neck accent, and it is an extra small from New York & Company. And that is for when it's a little cooler but not so cold. But if it is really cold, I actually put on this autumn pumpkin orange spice jacket with it. And this one is actually from BB Dakota, and it is a small. For the last outfit, I actually have the same jeans on. Surprising, am I right? I actually have the cream turtleneck I wore in the first look under this orange and gray shawl. And this one is actually from United Colors of Benetton. And this is a small as well. This one is for when it's pretty cool and you don't want a huge jacket on, but you also want to be super warm. I would highly recommend something like that just to keep you warm, but you don't have to take it off or anything like that. So I hope these looks gave you some inspiration for your Thanksgiving gathering or any gatherings you're doing in the holidays. And I hope you enjoyed my makeup look that goes with every single outfit I actually showed you. And I hope this hair look helped you if you don't want to curl your hair or straighten it, and it's just an easy 5-minute go out the door type of look. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll definitely link everything I used in today's video, all of the clothes and all of the makeup products in the description down below. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed. And I will see you not next week, but the next weekend after. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Love you. Let's go ahead and roll these bloopers.
I'm breaking out. It's not fun.
Wow. My face itches so bad. Try to just sweep it away, but I'm pretty sure I just made orange on my face.